Hello, hello, hello! This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe, I don't think this is Indonesian. I also don't think this is Canadian. It's just something that I sometimes make, which is adding vegetables into my rice cooker while I cook the rice, so it produces something more healthier than just rice as it is. So for the following recipe or vlog or food, this is what I will use or I will do when I'd like to trick my youngest to eat more vegetables. So yeah, check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. It is pretty simple to make. Just drop everything into your rice cooker. See ya! What I have here is 1/4 cup of chopped coriander leaves and 1/2 cup packed of grated baby carrots. That's about 5 or 6. And 2 cups of regular rice that I already rinsed, clean and rinsed. So we're gonna drop in the veggies into the rice cooker bowl. We're gonna mix it. Before we mix everything, we add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, 1/2 tablespoon of Vegeta powder. You can season it with salt, but I love Vegeta powder because it has pulverized dehydrated vegetables. And 1 can of chicken broth. The chicken broth itself is only 1 can, but you want to add water enough covering everything, so about 4 number mark over there, here below 5. And also not forgetting about 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder or cumin ground. Now we're just gonna mix it. You can taste it, of course, because it's only broth, or it's not really raw like meat or chicken. If you feel that you want more tastier flavor, add more Vegeta powder or salt, or you can use Royco Masako if you are in Indonesia, or chicken bouillon powder, beef bouillon powder. Now we're gonna place this into the microwave maker or cooker, rice cooker, holy moly, into rice cooker, and then set it to regular rice. Once rice cook, just plump it, just in case some of the seasoning or cumin or butter weren't mixed properly earlier, and your rice is ready.